Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. And it's Friday. And you know what that means? It's happy Labor Day to each and every one of us. I hope you all had a good Labor Day holiday. And it's also another BMX bold review. Dito sa Fridays with BMX only on my channel. So if you like what you're seeing, if you like the content, I want you to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and subscribe, hit that like button for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And yes, if you're not mesmerized in this video, I do have an Axiagoras. Yes, I pulled for him. Uh, Currently, trying to figure out. I'm just gonna go to stainless while farming. Pero that's not the thing that we're going to talk about here. Uh, the thing that we're going to talk about here is the latest BMX offering, Rapsa. Rapsa is a kanto or street term for sarap. It reverse siya, sarap, rapsa, di ba? Yeah, reverse siya. So it's a kanto term. Rapsa means delicious in Filipino. Ayun. So ano nga ba ang pinag-rapsa nito? Ba't ba natawag na rapsa? So it revolves around the boss of a coffee shop played by Vern Kay, si Ariel. So this is like the second time na naging boss si Vern Kay. The last time is the one with Aiko Garcia ata or Generosa. Boss Mom. Ayun. Sa Boss Mom si Generosa. Ayun. So, she does have that good or yung magandang ay magandang dating like boss lady. I think dun sa may isa pang pelikula yung pilay siya kasama si Alvi Casino. Ayun, Elevator Lady. Yeah. Parang boss rin si Vern dito. So she's typically the boss lady sa VMX films. Yeah, yung Go To Girl. We also have Micaela Ras here. She is like the main character here. She is Ella. JD Aguas, the man, uh, he is playing the role of Dino, Colonel. Tapos, yun nga, going ko ang title yun, Dino Colonel, something. And we got Rita, si Shiena Yu. Yeah, si wanted girlfriend Shiena Yu. We also have a special participation of Alona Navarro in this movie. Okay, so si Rita, si Shiena Yu, she has some eyes on Ella, who is a barista dito sa cafe na minamanage ni Ariel. Okay. So Ariel is first presented as a strict boss lady. Uh, Parang pinagbabawalan niya na makipag-usap si Ella kay kay Rita while working in her coffee shop. And we get an explanation why later on in this movie. You know, it leaves to be a secret to be explored. Okay? So, ang nagtatrain kay Ella to be a barista is senior barista Dino. So, Dino Colonel. And ang ang dating ni Dino dito is he is charming. Okay? Malakas ang dating niya. And he is the one who coined the term Rapsa. Kasi boy banat siya dito. Bumanat siya kay Ella habang nagtitimpla ng dark mocha frap na Rapsa katulad daw niya. So, yun. Dun yung malalaman. Dun dang galing yung title ng pelikula. Okay. So, dahil doon, nagkaroon ng parang FUBU, FUBU feelings ng isa't isa. Hindi naman mutual understanding, hindi naman love. It's like FUBU. And then they started to have uh, to make out on off office or still sa coffee shop. Okay. Each struggles with their own sexual desire. Yun yung masasabi ko dito. Dino did had a fallout with Alona Navarro's character, which is who guest starred dito as a customer. Okay? So, customer si Alona Navarro dito. She had a quickie session with Dino. And sabihin nyo mabilisan, pretty much given naman yun siguro na bakit mabilisan yung dating nila Alona at nasita ito ni Mika ni Ella pala nung karakter ni Mika Ella Ras. Okay. So furthermore may mga punto dito sa story to na turns about it talks about sexuality. Yun. Through it all, and boss sensitivity. Boss sensitivity to the point na kasi si si Ariel, played by Vern Gay, actually became good during this point in the film, and she grew she grew closer kina kina Dino at Ella. Okay? So, naging close sila. And this closeness is very rare between manager and her whelps, her underlings. Kasi minsan na tayo makakita ng mga, di ba, mga gano'n, yung close na close mo yung manager. Yun. And pretty much it's a good story. Kasi, then we find out that si Rita at saka si Ariel, sila talaga yung dalawang founder ng coffee shop, and Ella resembled Rita when she was young. So when Ella was forced to work overtime, kasama niya si Ariel sa office. Ariel asked for Ella a mocha frappuccino, nagkaroon ng spinach at chocolate syrup, and then they proceeded to have sex. Yan. So, ngayon, nakat na between the grass yung feelings ni Ella sa ni Ariel sa isa't isa. And we find out na yun nga si Rita nag-flirt kay Ella, ex pala ni Ariel. It just made Ariel to do parang drinking session kasama yung kanyang mga empleyado. So, knockout na si Dino Kernel, and then Ella and Ariel proceed to have sex. Nagising si Dino at yung one-on-one ni Ella sa ni Ariel, it became a threesome. Proud si Ariel sa naging relationship niya, she decides to give the two a good set of lingerie and wear it on the most applicable time, which is her birthday next week. So, nagplano si Dino saka si Ella how to make it up, and they coerced a secret guest dito sa birthday ni Ariel. Ariel gave them a surprise. She will be staying in Singapore and be running a coffee shop there, leaving the rubbles of the coffee shop na naiwan under the management of Ella and Dino. And then, Sienna Yu's character, si Rita, suddenly comes up and we have a foursome. At this is how Raksa ended. Pretty straight. May mga points dito sa pelikula na gusto kong iputol. Also, si JD Agua, si Dino, siya lang yung nag-iisang lalaki dito. So, dun sa foursome, it turns na naging 3 versus 1. He is essentially effing three women. Okay? And I think that disrupts the balance. Parang kiskisan yan. Although I would say marginally kiskisan did a better foursome than this one, than Rapsa. Ang tunay na Rapsa na mature scene dito is definitely the threesome. Uh, that was way hotter than expected. Normally, I would say the foursome, but I think dito sa punto na to, less is more. As I said, Fern Kay nails the role of the boss mom character always. Parang ito na yung magiging staple niya siguro. Okay? Parang Ayana Misola as a staple serial killer. So Fern Gay is your staple boss mom character. Madam Boss something. Ayun. So fortunately walang playtime to, and I would I would give this movie Rapsa ng BMX a peak rating. Girls Love wins. Ayun. Essentially talks about sexuality. Hindi man daw tibo si Ella dito, pero her parang ano lang, katuwaan. She likes lesbians. Okay? Ayun. So, that's our review of Rapsa. Also, I will be recording after this review yung maalala mo kaya kasama si yung feature kay Sheena. And, oh boy, naiyak ako dun. Also, next week, we will be reviewing Ligaw. So, anticipate nyo yun. Yeah. And that's all. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. Goodbye and good night. Bye.